AI is everywhere right now. Students are using it for homework, creators are using it for videos, and businesses are using it to save hours of work. But here's the problem: most people don't actually know how to use AI effectively. So in this video, I'll show you the smartest ways to use AI, the mistakes to avoid, the best AI tools, and how AI can completely transform productivity. Let's begin. Before using AI tools, there are 3 important principles you need to understand. The first principle is understand AI. AI is powerful, but it's not magic. It works best in areas like pattern recognition, automation, answering questions, generating ideas, and analyzing data. But AI can still make mistakes, misunderstand prompts, or provide outdated information. So learning what AI can and cannot do is extremely important. The second principle is define goals. If your instructions are unclear, the AI response will also be unclear. For example, instead of saying, "Write something about space," you can say, "Write a 100-word explanation about black holes for beginners." Specific prompts always give better results. The third principle is iterate and refine. Don't expect perfection in one try. Professional AI users keep improving their prompts step by step. If the result isn't good enough, give more details, change instructions, or ask AI to rewrite it differently. That's how you get high-quality outputs. Now let's talk about some key strategies that can help you become much better at using AI. The first strategy is to start simple and build up. Many beginners try extremely complicated tasks immediately and then get frustrated. Instead, start with simple prompts and basic projects. Once you understand how AI responds, you can move toward advanced workflows. The next strategy is be specific with your prompts. AI performs best when you provide context and details. Mention the tone, format, audience, and style you want. For example, instead of saying, "Make a YouTube intro," you can say, "Create an energetic YouTube intro script for a tech audience interested in AI." Another important strategy is to always verify AI outputs. AI can sometimes generate false information confidently. So always double-check facts, statistics, and important details before using them publicly. Human review is still necessary. Using AI effectively also means using it responsibly. Let's first discuss the things you should avoid. Never blindly trust AI-generated information without checking it. Always verify facts and review the outputs carefully. Also, avoid sharing sensitive personal information like passwords, banking details, or confidential company data with AI tools. Privacy and security are extremely important. Now let's look at some good practices. Always provide clear context to the AI. The more background information you give, the better the results become. Another useful technique is to break large tasks into smaller steps. Instead of asking AI to complete a huge project in one prompt, divide it into sections. This improves clarity and accuracy. And finally, always review and edit the final output before publishing or using it. Now let's explore some of the most popular AI tools available today. First, we have ChatGPT. This is one of the best tools for writing, brainstorming, learning, coding help, and research. It can summarize information, generate scripts, explain concepts, and even help students study more efficiently. Next is Midjourney. This AI tool specializes in creating stunning images from text prompts. Creators use it for thumbnails, posters, digital art, and social media graphics. Then we have GitHub Copilot. This is an AI-powered coding assistant that helps programmers write code faster. It can suggest functions, complete code snippets, and even help debug errors. These tools show how AI is transforming creativity, productivity, and software development. One of the biggest advantages of AI is productivity. AI helps people work smarter instead of working harder. For example, AI can automate repetitive tasks like scheduling meetings, organizing emails, or managing data entry. This saves a huge amount of time. AI can also summarize long documents or articles instantly. Instead of reading hundreds of lines, you can get key points within seconds. Another amazing use case is brainstorming. Writers, students, and creators use AI to generate fresh ideas when they feel stuck. AI can even help draft professional emails, reports, scripts, and presentations quickly. This is why businesses and creators are adopting AI tools at such a rapid pace. Now let's talk about the future of AI, and honestly, it's incredibly exciting. One major trend is multimodal AI. This means AI systems will understand text, images, audio, and video together in one platform. Future AI models will interact more naturally with humans. Another big development is personalized AI assistants. These assistants will learn your preferences, understand your workflow, and help you more efficiently over time. AI is also revolutionizing creative industries like music, filmmaking, graphic design, and content creation. Many creators are already using AI to speed up editing, generate ideas, and improve production quality. In the future, AI will become more intelligent, more context-aware, and deeply integrated into everyday life. The people who learn AI early will have a major advantage in education, careers, and business. And that brings us to the end of this presentation on how to use AI effectively. I hope this video helped you understand not only what AI can do, but also how to use it wisely and productively. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future AI content. Also comment below and tell me your favorite AI tool or your best AI productivity tip. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.